video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the questions asked in TR round in Zoho interview. This is the first episode. I'll be telling what are all the questions that will be asked in the TR round in Zoho. In TR round, they will be mostly checking your basic skills. If you have mentioned a C in your resume, they will be checking the basic knowledge about C, like what is mean by data type, what is mean by variable, and they will be asking you to do some code too. For an example, they will be asking do this particular pattern with using single loop. Like that, they will be asking you to do some programs. The best way to prepare this interview is you should know the basic skills of any programming languages that you have mentioned in your resume. These are some of the questions they will be asking. Let me tell some questions that are asked in one of my friends' TR round in Zoho. When my friend entered into the TR round, during this pandemic, he attended online TR round. First, they started asking the question like personal informations, like where are you from, what college you studied, and whether you've done any projects which is related with programming. That means IT sector, related to IT sector. After that, he saw my friend's resume and asked some of the questions related to his skills. Let me tell what are all the questions the interviewer asked for my friend. First, he asked like what is mean by variable, and the second question is what is mean by data type. After that, he asked whether you know, the interview asked to my friend like whether you know OOPS concepts, like object oriented programming language. Then my friend said yes, I know about OOPS concepts. Then he started asking what are all the different concepts in OOPS, like polymorphism, inheritance, then encapsulation, like 4 concepts he asked. And the interviewer asked like tell me the inheritance with real-time example. This is the another question the interviewer asked. My friend said the answer for the question with real-time example. Then the interviewer asked write the logic for Fibonacci series using recursion. And while asking this question, the interviewer asked whether you know about recursion, and my friend said yes, I know about recursion. And he told to share the screen of laptop, and my friend done the logic for Fibonacci series. So here I am going to tell some basic programming questions that will be asked in this round. Like you should know about Armstrong number, then Fibonacci series, factorial of a number. Then you should know some patterns, how you can patterns in programming, like diagonal pattern, like a triangle pattern, like equilateral triangle pattern. These are patterns you should know. They will be asking questions in this too also. After that, the interviewer asked, do a program to print values from 1 to 100 without using for loop. My friend done this program because he found this program in internet. So he done it very well because he knows how to, he is good in programming. He saw this particular question in internet, and he know about this question too. So he easily cleared the that program too. You can use like label here, like go to label in this programming question. And after that, he asked about the one of the projects that he had done in the college. The interviewer asked, could you tell me what are all the projects you done related to IT? in your college. And my friend said he done like 2 projects, and he explained about his projects. After that, he asked some of the basic personal questions related to him, like where is from, what is the occupation of his father, like this. And he completed the interview process. This is how we got the interview experience. This is the interview experience of my friend in TR round in Zoho. I think this will be useful for you to attend the TR round in Zoho. And one of the suggestion my friend told is like, you don't need to have much skills in any programming language, but you should be strong in the basics of programming language. For example, if you know basics of C, you should be strong in particular language. If you don't, if you not confident enough to answer any one of the basic question, means definitely will be rejected, because Zoho will be testing only the basics of students, basics of programming from the students. So be prepared with your basics. And also, while mentioning skills in your resume, don't mention the skills which you don't know, because when they ask any one of the difficult question or any one of the question from that particular language, if you don't answer that particular question, you will be losing the marks and you will not be selected for the next round. So be conscious, and whenever answer any question, be confident, and give some extra answer, like if they ask what is a variable, then you should not say only the definition. You should say like int a variable is equal to 10. Here the value of 10 will be stored in the variable var or variable, like that you can mention, so it will be more realistic. So this is the entire interview experience of one of my friend in TR round in Zoho. Um if you have any doubts, you can join in the Telegram link I will be giving in the description box, and I will be posting a large number of questions asked in TR round, and and the TR round experience in another episodes. You can follow me via this channel, and also via the Telegram group. And if you want to prepare for any of the TR questions or for any one of the OOPs, you can prefer Geeks for Geeks, or you can prepare by your own, or you can see some of the videos in YouTube channel. That's right, you can prepare by this way, but be confident in your basics. um, so if you are going to attend a TR round, all the best for your TR round.